Hello, this is Dr. Crypto coming at you from my secret hideout with my young friend here, Victor Ufot, who is coming out with a humongous product on cryptocurrency. All right, Victor, what exactly is this all about?
Thank you, Doctor. Hello, guys. Now, the Crypto Income Advantage is a comprehensive package showing you how to earn a lot of money from the cryptocurrency revolution without investing a dime. If you've got skills, you know how to write, you know how to do videos, you spend a lot of time on social media, I'll show you how to turn those skills into money in the bank. There are several other secrets lined up in this package, and I can assure you it's going to be worth your while.
All right, that's it. Unless you have been living under a rock for the last few months or maybe the last 1 year, you know the hottest thing right now globally is cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, many people are going about it the wrong way. They are investing their money and they are taking risk of the market, risk of volatility, where the price can go up today, go down tomorrow. Then they cry about how they are losing their investment. The smart way now is for you to actually earn those cryptocurrencies without putting any of your money at risk. And that's what Victor and I have put together for weeks now. We've been working on this, and the last 5 days we have been putting final touches to this humongous package. Okay, that is a 5-product funnel that is guaranteed to put a lot of money in your pocket. Your clients are going to love it because they're going to learn many ways to be able to earn cryptos without putting any of their money at risk. And we want you, we beg you, we expect you to help us make this a success. And we have put everything together for you to make this a success. We've got a professional written swipes for you to send to your mailing list. We've got professional banners for you to promote this on social media. We've got practically everything you need to make this work for you, including over $3,500 in prizes for our top affiliates. So this is going to be a rain-making project for you, and you can get all the information you need about this launch on our JV page, cryptoincomeadvantage.com/JV. You're going to get the link, how to get your links to promote this, whether you're on JVZoo or you're on any of the other platforms that we're using for this launch. I will look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard, all the information about how to contact us if you have any questions. And we also have a 24/7 support already lined up for your clients. Help us make the Crypto Income Advantage a mega launch. I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard.